Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the compound angles. My dear students, already the first topic trigonometric ratios completed. So we observed, dear students, in the trigonometric ratios only we covered about the identities. The sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. And also we learned about all silver teacups about the sign of the trigonometric ratios. Okay students, and also the angle of 90 plus theta and 90 minus theta, 180 plus theta and 180 minus theta, and 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 plus theta and 360 minus theta. Dear students, already explained, only from the trigonometry they are asking 4% questions for JEE Mains and advanced also. So dear students, especially in the trigonometric topic, they are only the properties of triangles and complex numbers and De Moivre's theorem are very important topics. Dear students, and also the one more topic is very important, inverse trigonometric functions. So here the trigonometric ratios, compound angles, multiple and submultiple angles, periodicity, graphs, okay students, transformations, these are all one unit. And the next topic is trigonometric equations. The next is inverse trigonometric, and after that hyperbolic and the properties of triangles. Dear students, so from today onwards we will learn more formulas from the trigonometry. My dear students, I am expecting you all, please read the formulas number of times. These are very useful in the integral calculus and the entire differential calculus. So my dear students, please read the formulas, don't forget it. When you will forget the formulas, undoubtedly the trigonometric will difficult. Okay students, right now today we are going to discuss about compound angles. Okay, my dear students, now the definition of the compound angle. Suppose dear students, A comma B comma C and so on are the angles. Okay students, if A comma B comma C are the three angles, suppose, dear students, we can take A plus B or A minus B, A plus B plus C, A minus B plus C or A minus B plus C. Dear students, these are all called compound angles. The algebraic my dear students, the algebraic sum of the two or more angles. The algebraic sum of the two or more angles. The algebraic sum of the two or more angles is called the compound angles. My dear students, just listen 1 minute. The algebraic sum, algebraic means either plus or minus. The algebraic sum of the two or more angles is called the compound angles. If A comma B comma C, capital A comma capital B comma capital C are the three angles, then A plus B, A minus B, comma B plus C and B minus C and C plus A and C minus A, or A plus B plus C, A minus B plus C, A plus B minus C, these are all called compound angles. A plus B or A minus B, B plus C, B minus C, C plus A, C minus A. Dear students, A plus B plus C, A minus B plus C, these are all called compound angles. My dear students, so the algebraic sum, that means plus or minus, the algebraic sum of the two or more angles are said to be compound angles. If A comma B comma C are three angles, then A plus B, A minus B, B plus C, B minus C, or A plus B plus C and so on are called the compound angles. Okay, students? My dear students, first the algebraic sum means, first you can write sine of a plus b. Dear students, write down the formulas. Sine of a plus b. This is, students, the sine of a plus b is sine a cos b. Dear students, cos a sine b. Okay, students. Then the another formula, sine of a minus b. Dear students, how can you read this one? The sine of a minus b is the sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Dear students, then cos of a plus b. This is the, students, cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Then the, students, cos of a minus b. So cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. My dear students, what are the formulas? Sine of a plus b is the sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine of a minus b is the sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Cos of a plus b is the cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Cos of a minus b is the cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. This proof is not necessary here, students. Just you can remember the formulas only. So these proofs are available in the vectors. Dear students, I think you know that vectors in the physics. Suppose, dear students, we have to take the x and y axis. This is the coordinate plane. My dear students, we have to take a vector along x axis is the I bar, y axis is the j bar. My dear student, suppose we are taking the point P like this. Okay, students? So, my dear students, already I explained. Suppose we are draw the perpendicular here. This is, suppose this line OP makes an angle with the positive direction of the x-axis, my dear students. Now here the cos A, my dear students, suppose if you are taken the x comma y, this is x, this is y. My dear students, when we are taking, this is unit is 1 unit. So how can you take 1 unit? I will explain, dear students. Now when you are taking, this is the, students, cos A. Cos A is the, students, x by 1. So dear students, when you are taking the along x-axis, my dear students, the x equal to, you got cos A. But the cos A is the x is along x-axis. That is the x is the, dear students, along x-axis. We have to know that I bar is a unit vector along x-axis. That means x equal to I cos A bar. I bar cos A. Okay, students, the cos A is the x by 1, students, x equal to cos A. Therefore, dear students, you can write x equal x. This x is the along x-axis. Therefore, you can write the OA bar, dear students, this is taken OA. The OA bar is the, my dear students, that is the OA bar. We can written as the OA bar is the I bar cos A. My dear students, then you can write simply how to write the, students. The another one is there. Similarly, when we are taking the sine A, my dear student, that is the y. Therefore, y equal to, this is a parallel to the y-axis, dear students, j bar into sine A. So, my dear students, when we are taking the, this is how to write this, students. This is the point. Everybody know that. We can written as the OP bar. OP bar is the, students, I cos A, j sine A. How to write the, students? We got here the x is the cos A, y is the sine A. Similarly, dear students, we have to take the point Q like this, making an angle B. That is the, students, cos B sine B. My dear students, the total angle is the A first, this is the B. Okay, students, now this angle, the angle between OP and OQ, this is the, students, A minus B. This is the OP, dear students, this is the complete angle A, this is angle B. Now the angle between the OP and OQ is the A minus B. What students? The angle between OP and OQ is the A minus B. Dear students, first you can find OP bar dot OQ bar. This is the students mod OP bar, mod OQ bar. Dear students, the cos angle between OP and OQ is the students A minus B. What is the formula of dot product, dear students? OP bar, OQ bar is the mod OP, mod OQ and cos of A minus B. My dear students, we have to know that the OP, this is the mod OP and mod Q, we are taking the one unit only. This is the students, we got cos of A minus B. My dear students, I explained OP and OQ. OP is the cos A sin A. The OP is the students I cos A. What is the students OP? I cos A plus J sin A. Dear students, the OQ is the I cos B, J sin B. What is the students? I cos B, J sin B. Here their dot product. Dear students, the dot product means I dot I1, J dot J1. I dot J0, J dot I is also 0. Therefore, student, this is the I dot I is the 1. We can multiple with the dot products only I dot I, J dot J. That is the students cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. My dear students, this is OP bar dot OQ bar. This is also cos of A minus B. Dear student, cos of A minus B. Dear students, this is the cos of A minus B is the cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. My dear students, the cos of A minus B, we got cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We can replace it by B is the minus B. We can replace it by B is the minus B. Then it will be the cos of A plus B. What is the students? Cos of A plus B. This is the cos A cos B minus of sin A sin B. Just you can replace it by B is the minus B only. Then you got this one. Dear students, only 1 minute students. That is only you can take the cross product. I will take here the dot product. We got the cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then you can apply the cross product. Dear students, we got the sin of A minus B equals to sin A cos B minus of cos A sin B. Then you can replace it by B is the minus B. Then it is the sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. My dear students, again I explained these proofs are not important, not given that any examination. Okay student, any board examination. That's why dear students, just you remember it, only the formulas. The sin of A minus B. What is the student sin of A minus B? That is sin A cos B. Sin of A plus B is the sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. The cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. The cos of A minus B is the cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Dear students, once again, you think, dear students, what is the comparison? When it is a plus, we got minus. It is a minus, we got plus. But the sign is same sign. The sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A minus B is the sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is the simple observation, students. Not only that, we can read the any formula, just you can identify the technique. What is there here? The cos of A plus B, both are cos, both are sin, between minus. Cos of A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Dear students, right now I will write the tan of A plus B. Dear students, when you can write tan of A plus B is the sin of A plus B by cos of A plus B. Then it is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Both numerator and denominator divided by cos A cos B. Dear students, we got that is the tan A plus tan B minus tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Dear students, this is our observation. When you can write tan of A plus B is the sin of A plus B by cos of A plus B. Entire the numerator and denominator we can divide it by cos A cos B. We got the tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Dear students, the one more formula is tan of a minus b. This is the formula, students. The tan a minus of tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. This is the, students, is there plus, this is minus. When you can begin with tan of a minus b, the numerator is minus, denominator is the plus. Dear students, now the formula of cot of a plus b. This is the, students, cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a. My dear students, what is the form? The cot of a plus b. The cot of a plus b is the cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a. My dear students, then you can write cot of a minus b is the cot a cot b plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a. My dear students, these are the formulas. The cot of a plus b, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. The cot of a minus b, dear students, the cot a cot b plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a. Okay, students, these are the formula of sine, cos, tan, cot. Okay, students, please by heart them. My dear students, now I will discuss about some more formulas in compound angles. So this is the sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. Dear students, the sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b, that is the, students, sine square a minus sine square b. After that, cos square b minus cos square a. Okay, students, the sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b, sine square a minus sine square b. Okay, students, cos square b minus cos square a. Dear students, after that, the one more cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Dear students, this is cos square a minus sin square b. After that, cos square b minus sin square a. Dear students, please by heart and observe the formula. Observing the formula. Dear student, is there the sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b, both are sine or both are cos. When we are taking the sine, first a, next will come b. But whereas the cos a plus b into cos a minus b, one of them is cos, other one is sine. Cos square a minus sine square b, or cos square b minus sine square a. So dear students, just I will prove that here. The first one, sine of a plus b. My dear students, this is the sine of a minus b. So the proofs are not necessary, dear student. Just you can remember that only the formulas. The sine of a plus b, we know that, dear students, sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. What is the form? Sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Dear students, sine of a minus b is the sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is you have to compare with the, dear students, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is the, students, sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. Dear students, is there the first formula in terms of sine? So we can written as the, students, the sin square a, the cos square b can be written as sin square b minus, dear student, the cos square a is the 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. Okay, students, now here we have to multiply with this one, the sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b. Dear students, now we observe, now this is multiple with this one. This is the, student, sin square b minus of sin square a into sin square b. Dear student, this is minus. minus into minus plus. What is the remaining, dear students? The sine square A minus sine square B. Suppose if we are taking the in terms of cos, dear students, the sine square A is the formula 1 minus cos square A minus sine square B is the formula, dear students. The sine square B is the 1 minus cos square B. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus of minus plus. Dear students, this is cos square B minus of cos square A. Dear students, this is cos square B minus cos square A. Okay students, this is the sine square A minus sine square B. Similarly students, you can write the first cos. You can write the, dear students, cos of A plus B, cos of A minus B. Then you can cos square A is, you can write cos square A, you can don't disturb. Then you can write cos square B is the 1 minus of sine square B. Therefore, dear students, we got the first one, cos A plus B into cos A minus B. This is the cos A. What is the formula of cos A plus B, students? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay students. What is there? Another one, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That is the students, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Dear students, A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. This is the students, cos square A cos square B minus sin square A sin square B. Dear students, we can written as, first you can write cos square A. The cos square B is the 1 minus of sin square B. My dear students, the cos sin square A we can written as 1 minus of cos square A. This is the student sin square B. After the multiplication, dear students, this is cos square A. This is the students minus of cos square A into sin square B. This is the students minus of sin square B. Minus into minus plus cos square A sin square B. These are cancelled. We got cos square A minus sin square B. Dear students, the cos square A we can write 1 minus sin square A. Sin square B you can written as 1 minus sin square B. Then you got this one. These two are also very important formulas, students. Little bit, so many students are confused because what is the form of sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B? That is sin square A minus sin square B. As well as they will always think about cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. They can write directly the cos square A minus cos square B. That is wrong. Are you understand, students? Whereas the sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is the sin square A minus sin square B. But cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is not a cos square A minus cos square B. One of them cos, other one is sin. One of them is cos, other one is the sin. Okay students, this is my observation. Cos square A minus sin square B, but the sin is sin square A minus sin square B. Okay students. Dear students, the tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B. Dear student, this is the form tan square A minus tan square B by 1 minus tan square A into tan square B. Okay students, the tan of A plus B, that is a tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. The tan of A minus B is the tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Numerator and denominator both have you can compare the both numerators, A plus B into A minus B. That is tan square A minus tan square B. The denominators are A minus B into A plus B. That is also A square minus B square. My dear students, the cot A plus B into cot of A minus B. Dear student, the cot of A plus B is the form cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. The cot of A minus B is the form cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Dear students, we can written as cot square B minus cot square A minus 1 by cot square B minus of cot square A. Okay, students. Dear students, the sine of a plus b plus c is the sigma sine a cos b cos c minus sine a sine b sine c. Okay, students. So, dear students, the sine of a plus b plus c expand or express the sine of a plus b plus c. Okay, students. Now, how to write this one? Dear students, the sine of a plus b plus c. Okay, students. Now, we know that, dear students, the sine of, we can written as, this one we treat as some b. This is some x, this is y. What is the form? Sin x plus y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So, dear students, you can write this is sin a cos b, where b is the b plus c, plus cos a sin b, that is sin of b plus c. My dear students, we have to know that the sine of a plus b is the sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Therefore, this is sin a cos b is cos of b plus c, plus cos a sin b is the sin of b plus c. Dear students, sin a, what is the formula of cos of b plus c? That is the students cos b cos c minus sin b sin c. Dear students, the cos of b plus c is cos b cos c minus sin b sin c. Now this is the students, the cos a, the sine of b plus c. The sine of b plus c is the students, the sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. This is the students, cos sine of b plus c is the sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. My dear students, we can written as first multiplication. This is the students sin a cos b cos c. So the sin a sin b sin c we can write at the ending. So now, dear students, the next one is cos a sin b cos c. The next one is cos a cos b sin c. Therefore, students, what is there? The last one is sin a sin b. Okay, students, sin a sin b sin c. My dear students, we can write a is b, a is the b. Okay, students, a is the b, b is the c, c is the a. Now this is cos a is the students cos b, sin b is the students sin c, cos c is the students cos a. We can observe the first three terms in cyclic. That can be written as using the sigma notation, sigma symbol. Sin a cos b cos c. A is the b, sin a is the sin b, cos b is the cos c is the cos a. So 1, 2, 3 we can using the sigma symbol. The last one is you can write sin a into sin b into sin c. That is also we can written as pi sin a. What is the students? We can write it written as pi sin a. That means pi means into sin a into sin b into sin c, but not there in the proof. So dear students, you can write directly the sin a into sin b into sin c. This is the sine of a plus b plus c. That is sigma sin a cos b cos c minus sin a sin b sin c. Okay, students. My dear students, the cos of a plus b plus c. Okay, students, the cos of a plus b plus c. Dear students, the cos of a plus b plus c is also what, students? Cos a cos b cos c. Sigma sin a sin b cos c. What, students? Cos a cos b cos c minus sigma sin a sin b cos c. So how can you prove that, student? This will be taken b, then you can apply the cos of a plus b, then you got cos a cos b cos c minus sin a sigma sin a sin b cos c. My dear students, now the tan of a plus b plus c. Dear students, this is the sigma tan a. What is the meaning of sigma tan a, dear students? Tan a plus tan b plus tan c. After then minus pi tan A. What is the meaning of pi tan A, dear students? That is a tan A into tan B into tan C upon 1 minus sigma tan A into tan B. Dear students, what is the meaning? Tan A into tan B. This is the student sigma tan A tan B. The sigma tan A tan B means, dear students, tan A tan B plus first term you can write same tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. This is also you can simply you can remember it S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. Dear students, this is sum of all. Sum of the all. Here sum of the product of the taken two at a time. This is directly tan A, tan B, tan C. Three are there. Product of the tans. That is S1 means tan A plus tan B plus tan C. That is also sigma pi tan A means tan A into tan B into tan C. So S2 means sum of the product are taken two at a time. Tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. Similarly, dear students, the cot of A plus B plus C, my dear students, that is also, dear students, the sigma cot A minus pi cot A upon 1 minus sigma cot A into cot B. These are the expansions of sin of A plus B plus C, cos of A plus B plus C, and tan of A plus B plus C, and cot of A plus B plus C. Okay, students? My dear students, right now I will take sin 15 degrees. I will find right now sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, cot 15. Find the values of, my dear students, the sin 15 value is the root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 is the root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Tan 15 is the 2 minus root 3. Cot 15 is the 2 plus root 3. These are very important values, dear students. Generally, we have to know that the values 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Right now, we have to know about 15 degrees, after then 75, then 18, 36, 54, 22 and half. Okay, students. Right now, the sin 15. My dear students, first we can find the value of sin 15. How can you write this, students? The sin 15 or sin 75. Dear students, the 15 is there. Just you can listen, students. The 15 can be written as 45 minus 30. Suppose is there 75, students. How to write the value of sin 75? 45 plus 30. Just you can written as sum of the angles. 75 is the 45 plus 30. Here the 15 we can taken as 45 minus 30. Why we are taking these two angles difference? The difference of the two angles, these angles. We have to know the values of 45 and 30. That is the reason only we have to take the 15 is 45 minus 30. Dear students, what is the form sin A minus B? Sin A cos B cos 30 minus cos A 45 sin 30. Dear students, 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is the value, root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. My dear students, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, students, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is also root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is also equal to cos of 75 degrees. My dear students, if any angle subtract from 90, the sign will come cos. Therefore, sin 30 equal to cos 60. And also, the cos 30 equal to cos 30 is the sin 60. Therefore, dear students, the root 3 minus 1 by 2 root is also cos 75. Now, we are find the students cos 15 degrees. How can you write this, students? The cos of 45 minus 30. We have to know that the cos A cos B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Dear students, cos A, between the minus sign is there, you can apply the cos of A minus B, the cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Dear students, you can write cos 45, cos 30 plus sin 45, sin of 30. Dear students, this is 1 by root 2. Cos 30, we know that root 3 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by 2. Sin 30 is the 1 by 2. These are the values of cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Dear students, what is the LCM? Denominators 2 root 2 and 2 root 2. We taking the LCM is the 2 into root 2. This is root 3 into 1, root 3. 1 into 1, 1. This is the value of cos 15. The cos 15 is equal to sin of 75 degrees. My dear students, when you have to take the sin 75, 45 plus 30, we can write 45 plus 30, sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, it will become sin 75. Okay students, the cos 15 equal to sin 75, sin 15 equals to cos 75. Now students, we have to find the value of tan 15 degrees. What is the students tan 15? Same as, we can written as 45 minus 30. My dear students, we have to know that what is the tan of A minus B? That is a tan A minus tan B by tan A plus tan B. The tan of A minus B, dear students, tan A, tan 45 degrees minus tan B, tan 30 degrees upon 1 plus tan A, tan B, tan 45 into tan 30 degrees. My dear students, this is known as A minus B. The tan of A minus B we can written as tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. That is, the tan 45 is the 1 minus tan 30, dear students, 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by root 3. Okay students, what is this one? Tan 45 is the 1, tan 31 by root 3. This is the 1. Dear students, this is 1. 1 into 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Dear students, just now we are taking the LCM is root 3. My dear students, the root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Is it clear? The root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Dear students, we can written as the root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Dear students, what you are observing here? When you can take the rationalizing factor, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Dear students, we can written as root 3 minus 1 whole square. Root 3 minus 1 whole square. This is A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. That is, A square is 3 minus B square is 1. Dear students, this is we have to take A minus B whole square. A square 3, B square 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 2AB is the minus 2 root 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 2AB is the minus 2 root 3. Upon 2. Okay students, upon 2. 3 minus 1 is the 2. Now this is divided by 2. Dear students, this is the 2 minus root 3. My dear students, we can written as 2 minus root 3. The tan 15 equals to, dear students, cot of 75. This will be equal to cot 75. Okay students, now we have to find the cot 15 degrees. We can written the students cot of 45 minus, dear students, just I can solve it. Don't take the formula, dear students. Just we have another shortcut method. Just we know that how to find the cot 15. Just write students. We got the 2 plus root 3. How to get this one? Dear students, cot 15. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Yes or no students? Cot is the reciprocal of tan. This is you can write 1 by tan 15 degrees. My dear students, this is 1 by tan 15. Yes or no? The cot we can written as the cot 15. My dear students, the cot 15 is, how can you write? The cot is the reciprocal of tan. Yes, The cot 15 is a 1 by tan 15. This can be written as, just now we find out the value of tan 15 degrees is the 2 minus root 3. Is it clear or not? Dear students, once again I remind you, please by heart the values also. Sin 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Tan 15 2 minus root 3. Right now cot 15 2 plus root 3. The tan 15 is the 2 minus root 3. My dear students, just you can take the rationalization, that is 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. This is the students, the numerator 1 into 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A square is 4 minus 3, 1. We can written as the students 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 is the value of cot 15 degrees. My dear students, the cot 15 degrees is 2 plus root 3. So this is the students, the sin 15 is equal to cos 75. The cos 15 equal to sin 75. And also the tan 15 2 minus root 3 is the value of cot 75. The cot 15 is the value 2 plus root 3 is equal to tan of 75. My dear students, this is also tan 75 degrees. When the angle is subtract from 90, the sin will come cos, the cos will come sin, tan become a cot become a tan. This is the students, this is the degrees of sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, cot 15. Okay students, write down. Students, let us now, I will explain another formula. The tan of pi by 4 minus a. This is the students 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. This is also students cos a by cos a minus sin a upon cos a plus sin a equal to cot of pi by 4 plus a. My dear students, the another formula is tan of pi by 4 plus a. Dear student, this is 1 plus tan a upon 1 minus tan a. Dear student, this is cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a equals to students the cot of pi by 4 minus a. My dear students, I will explain 1 minute. This is the student, these are also, this one and this one also useful in the differential calculus. Differential calculus. Okay students, how to write? This is very simple students. We have to compare with tan of a minus b. The tan of a minus b is the students, the tan pi by 4 minus tan a. This is you can take as tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. How to write students? This is you have to take tan of a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. The tan 45 is the 1 students. The tan 45 is 1 minus tan a upon 1 plus, again the tan 45 is the 1 into tan a. Dear students, tan a. My dear students, the tan of pi by 4 minus a is the 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. Dear students, we can written as the tan a is the sin by cos a. This is also sin a by cos a. We have to take the LCM is cos a, that is cos a into 1. My dear students, the cos a minus sin a by the cos a plus sin a. Dear students, the tan will you can written as sin by cos. We are taking the LCM is cos. Tan will write sin a by cos a. Cos a into 1 cos a. Therefore, this is also sin a by cos a. LCM or cancel. Okay students, we have to know that this is subtract from 90. 90 minus of pi by 4 minus a. 90 minus 45, 45. Minus of minus plus. Already I explained. If any angle subtract from 90, then tan will be the cot. That is the students, cot of pi by 4 plus a. How to write the students? You can write, how can you write this is? We can simply, dear students, the tan 90 minus theta. We can tan 90 minus theta is the students cot of pi by 4 plus a. Tan 30 equal to, what is the student? Tan 30 equal to cot 60. Sin 30 equal to cos 60. Like as we can subtract this angle from 90. This angle subtract from 90, then it will come cot of pi by 4 plus a. Okay students? My dear students, similarly we can prove the tan of pi by 4 plus a. Okay students, this is the tan of a plus b. After you can write tan a is the sin a by cos a. This is also sin a by cos a. My dear student, this is tan of a plus b plus c plus d. This one we take a, first one, this is the b. Then you can expand into, dear students, first you can write this is the a, this is the b. Tan of a plus b, we know that tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. After you can write tan of a plus b is the tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan c plus d is the tan c plus tan d by 1 minus tan c tan d. Then we are taking the LCM. We got the huge sum. Very big formula. So that is not necessary students. Just I will show you only. Okay students, that is you can write it as S1 minus S3. Okay students, 1 minus S2 plus S4. My dear students, what is the form? The S1 minus S3, 1 minus S2 plus S4. S1 minus S3 by S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2 S4. S1 means tan A plus tan B. S1 is sum of all. Tan A plus tan B plus tan B plus tan C. S3 means tan A, tan B, tan C. Okay students, when you are taking A, B, C, D, first you can take A, B, C. After we can take, first you can remove the D. After that A, C, D. After that you can remove, first you can remove the D, tan A, tan B, tan C. Then you can remove the C, tan B, tan A, tan B, tan D. Then you can remove the B, that is the students tan A, tan C, tan D. Then you can remove the A, that is the tan B, tan C, tan D. That is the S3. Dear students, 1 minus S2, sum of the taken 2 at a time. AB, AC, AD. First AB, AC, AD. After BC, BD. Then CD. Okay, how to straighten? AB, AC, AD. BC, BD. Then CD. That is the, okay student, that is the S2. S4 is the tan A, tan B, tan C, tan D. This is the formula students. Just you can remember it, that's only. So this will be, don't use anywhere, but this you can know that only the simple one. S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2 plus S4. S4 is product all. S2 is sum of the product taken 2 at a time. S1 is S3 means sum of the product of the taken 3 at a time. S1 means sum of all. Okay students, this is today's student about compound angles. Okay students, so please read the formulas and by heart them and write 1 or 2 times. Okay students, so tomorrow I will start with sums. Okay students, thank you.